Good day mga kamikaw. For today's video, we're gonna taste another food from Indian food, because you know my boss is Indian. So now they are like, for this coming October, they are celebrating Diwali. So there's a series of celebration from them. So they provide food for the employee. This food called halwa in Chana. This one, rajma masala. And then this one, aloo gobi. And this one, it's like vegetable biryani. I think raita, steamed rice, and then chapati. And then the other one is curd. This one curd is made from peeled milk or like yogurt, and then they mix spices, and then they make it's like part of their condiments. This is chapati. It's like chapati, pancake. So try masala. This vegetable masala. Only chickpeas, spices is there. I'll taste it. Good. Maybe mekos already. And try dessert. Halwa in Chana. This is the dessert. This one, it's like chickpeas. Yeah. No, green peas. And then this one, it's like rice cake. Pero mais ni sa to, mais nga kanon. Agibot ang sweets. Murag ang lasa niya, murag mais pero murag bukayo. Apa pa ni? Vegetable biryani. Potato. Potato. The other one, cauliflower. Balls. We try these balls. See, this is aloo gobi. Sweets also, sweets. It's like fish ball or muffins. Pour in the sweetener. Good. And then this is gulab jamun. Murag bula-bula pero made sa vegetables. Halang, pero halang lang pagkaon. Nari, aloo gobi. Vegetable, all vegetables. Veg. Potato. And then this one, chapati. So, that's all mga kamikaw. Enjoy po mo sa inyong meal. Pagkaon na po mo o kaya mo papas mo. Yawat na lang, mapas mo ta, mabuwag ta kusgan. Thank you, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.